I put the gauge from suction. So this is the gauge from suction, and then another gauge for the discharge. We will confirm this circuit 1. What is the status of this AXB? Defective or not? Now we will confirm this one now. Okay. So I put the gauge and the suction again. So close it. Okay. That's the pressure. Okay. Now and then we will go discharge line. Okay. This is a 2 compressor. This is the discharge. Okay, now we will start, and then we will check the refrigerant. So refrigerant, you see this. Without run, okay. Now we will run. Okay. What is the pressure there? Okay. Okay. So 0, huh? So this one 0. Suction. So circuit number 2 running. We will check the alarm here. So what is it? Okay, let's see the alarm. Low suction refrigerant pressure. So this chiller confirmed that the electronic expansion valve having problem, not working. Okay, that's it. Now confirm the AXB having problem. Okay ba, Isap? Confirm. So 0, ha? Suction 0, okay. So meaning to say the problem is AXB.